Hello, Kid Pack Discovery. This is Miss Deidre from the Free Chapel Spartanburg campus.
And I'm Miss Alexis from Free Chapel Gwinnett campus.
During Summer Xtreme, you will be learning about the armor of God. Today, we are going to be making a craft for the belt of truth. And your supplies that you will need is a poster board, ribbon, hole punch, scissors, coloring pencils or crayons, a glue stick or liquid glue. Then we have templates on our website that you will be able to print these off. If you have construction paper that you can print them on, that's great. If not, you can definitely use regular paper. And now that we have all of our supplies, we are ready to make our craft. The first thing that you will do is you will take your poster board, you will cut a 2-inch strip on the long side of the poster board. Then you will use the hole punch and you will punch 2 holes at the top and bottom. Then you will take your ribbon, yarn, whatever you may have at home, and you will be able to tie it to the ends so that once you have that complete, it will look something similar to this. And then once we have all of this ready, then your kids will be able to cut all of these out. And if you have used the white ones, they can color it with smiley faces, rainbows, flowers, anything that they may want to do. And then you will also cut out the word truth. You can cut that out by individual letters or by the whole word. Once we have all of that stuff ready to go, then we are ready to complete our craft. The first thing that we want to do is to take each of our strips and we want to put a little bit of glue on each one. And then we are going to place it on our strip of poster board. Doesn't have to be a lot of glue because it will definitely stick. And then once you get your last one completed, then you can turn it over and it will look similar to this. Does not have to be in this particular order, just similar. And then we will take our word truth and you will want to put a decent amount of glue on it. And then you put it in the middle. And once you have that finished, then you have your belt of truth. This was a super fun and easy craft. And now Miss Alexis is going to show us how to build another piece of the armor of God.
So now we're going to build the breastplate of righteousness. The first thing you're going to need is 1 whole poster board, color pencils or crayons, a stapler, a pair of scissors, a glue stick or liquid glue, and the template of the breastplate of righteousness. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut 2 inches off the long side of the poster. Once you do that, you're going to cut that in half. It's going to look like this. Then you're going to take the rest of the poster that you have and cut that in half as well. And that will then turn into this. After you do that, then you're going to take your template of the breastplate of righteousness and you're going to cut it out, and we are going to take it, you can decorate it, color it, paint it, put stickers on it, and then you're going to glue the breastplate of righteousness on the first half of the poster. Once you do that, we're going to take one of the strips and you can ask your parents to staple it on for you or you can glue it on yourself, and we're going to staple it onto one side of the poster. We're going to take the other half and stick it to this side. I forgot to glue this on. Don't do what I just did. Glue it on first. Okay, now we're going to glue on the breastplate of righteousness. You can add as much glue as you like, just glue it all over. Stick it right in the center. And now we'll go ahead and attach the second half. There you go. You can also use glue. If you're using a stapler, make sure you ask your parents. And this is your finished product, the breastplate of righteousness. Doesn't it look great, Miss Deidre?
I think it looks awesome. And you know what, kids? Let your parents take pictures of your finished product and then they can tag us with the hashtag KPDSX20.
Thanks for joining us today. I hope you have enjoyed the rest of your Summer Xtreme.
Bye.
Bye.